my best friend. I say you wanna sleep over. She said maybe, and I said let's hang over. She said can we stay and play all day? So one day we went and played all day. What a sunrise high and the sunset is gone, and when it was dark we played outside in the rain. Maybe sometimes we would make things not as usual. We don't usually make things. We usually just play and play and play all day. My parents say that maybe sometimes I can play with her. Maybe I can play with my sister. Maybe I can, maybe I won't, probably not. 'Cause if I did, no one's gonna like the way I play. My sister's in the woods, and we are walking down Hollywood. We see a lot of cool things swinging by. We saw a flower prettier than can be. And I say you wanna have a sleepover, yeah. Maybe we can someday. Let's have once a day. And yeah, I'll call my best friend. She say that we can. And her parents say that maybe you can stay the night. Sleep over.